What's up, guys? It's
Am I really this ugly though? That ugly?
Okay, no. What's up, guys? It's Jenna, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm with my friends Emily and Lauren, and we're gonna be getting ready for New Year's Eve because we're going to a party because we're cool, right? Yeah. So today's actually my boyfriend's birthday, and he's having a big party. So yeah, we're just gonna be getting ready for that, and then we have outfits that we're gonna put on after we get ready and do our makeup. So let's get started, fam.
Okay.
Okay, so first I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer.
I'm using the same thing.
Wait, same.
Okay, well, same.
Okay.
Lauren's using mine because she doesn't have any. It's fine now. Okay. So we're just gonna take like that much, and Lauren, I'll give you some.
That's a lot.
That's not. How much do you use?
This much?
Where do you put it? So
Where I need it.
I'm just gonna be putting it on my T-zone, forehead, and pretty much,
I think I'm just gonna put this up.
you know. If you guys have seen my everyday makeup tutorial, you guys will know what my makeup routine is. So next, I'm gonna be taking my MAC Strobe Cream, and it is in the color Peach Light. So this just really gives me a glow under my foundation, as you already know if you watch my video.
Here.
Okay, you can have some of that, honey.
It smells nice.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah.
Your face looks super shiny after you use it. Okay, so next I'm going to be doing foundation.
Me too.
So what are you using, Lauren?
I'm using Clinique.
So Lauren's using Clinique in the shade
A27.
Okay, A27. I'm using Peach Perfect by Too Faced in the shade Nude. Emily, we're doing foundation. What foundation are you using?
Well, first I'm putting on concealer.
Okay. You do concealer before foundation?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm definitely going to need more foundation. That wasn't enough.
And your like foundation down to your neck.
No.
Mm-mm.
Dude, you just did.
Did I really?
Clinique.
Getting some Clinique A27 foundation.
That looks really nice.
Concealer! Lauren, are you using concealer next?
No, I don't use concealer. I don't need it.
Oh. Okay. This is Tarte concealer in the shade Light Neutral.
So
Maybe I'll just use some so I look cool though.
Basically, I'm
Really good too.
This
Laura
is-
Mercier.
I don't even know
Is that what you're talking about?
called, so I don't even...
Okay,
No.
next I'm contouring. So, Lauren, could you please give me my contour palette?
Sure.
No, that's not it. That's not it either.
Oh. No, I'm using this as a mirror.
Well, you're gonna have to wait.
Oh, then trade.
Okay. So I'm using the Shade Light Kat Von D palette for contouring.
I'm using this just like, you know, powder. Just to go over my face.
I'm going in with my Morphe M437 brush. This is for bronzer and contouring, so I'm just gonna... So update on Emily, she's only put on one product. It's a good product.
Hoola.
Hoola by Benefit.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm using my Jaclyn Hill palette. Matte teal.
You should do a gold.
It just works better.
Does anyone else think that oh my God, you look so much uglier when you get ready at other people's houses, but when you get ready at your house you look so good.
You always get ready at my house.
That's why I always look ugly.
The lower lash line. Oh my
I
god.
like that color.
Yeah, that's what I'm
See,
using on
let me
my
see.
eye.
Oh yeah, it looks like a mermaid.
Okay, I'm doing my eyeliner now, and I'm using Stiletto by Maybelline because I always use that. Welcome! This is my brother.
Hey!
This is my brother Kyle and his friends. Say your name.
Hey, I'm Kyle. I'm
Are you
Luke.
screaming, Kyle?
Did you not?
I'm Doc.
Kyle, are you having a big party tonight?
Yeah, Mom bought us sparkling grape juice too.
Remember that one time before homecoming freshman year and we were laying in in the back of your
Yeah.
mom's car after the game when I was doing your eyeliner.
And then you couldn't get the
You're like,
other
Jenna,
eye.
just do it. And I was like, oh, I messed up. I can't do it anymore.
And you're like, screw it. You're just gonna do the rest on your own.
I'm like, screw it. I gotta go get ready myself. Can you just like
Oh,
wait till the
wow.
finished product is
well, it
over?
looks really good.
Okay, good. Oh, you're gonna need to turn this.
I've been using the same brush this whole time.
Okay, ready? Could you like not smile?
Sure.
Ooh, wow. Wow!
I'm poking myself.
Wow.
Okay, now we're gonna go with the lower lash line. Fabulous. Lauren, go up to the camera and show them how fabulous you look.
Wait, this lighting is like
that was a
bad
wrong
from this
move.
angle.
It's not
Yeah.
looking good.
You guys can see the basic picture and it looks really good, so.
I just really taking
Lauren,
my
you
time.
have to use my Better Than Sex mascara if you're not gonna use.
No.
It's a look. Can you
This
see?
part is really scary.
Oh yeah, it's definitely a look. Okay, I still need lip gloss. And we still have to put on our outfits, guys.
Oh god.
Okay, so my lip gloss, I've been using this every
Oh.
single day. And it's Spite by MAC, and it's like amazing.
Eyelashes, Jenna?
I never curl my eyelashes.
Why?
Neither do I.
Just because it takes too long and it doesn't do anything.
Dude,
I
it
think
makes
I
the
do it
biggest
wrong.
difference
Like,
in the world.
it literally doesn't do anything for me. When I curl my eyelashes. Oh, I just got...
Patient so far.
This is the final look for my makeup. You
Were you
guys saw
talking to
these
me?
in my Christmas haul. My sister got me these, and I've been waiting to wear them for this day. So now I finally get to wear them. Wow, you look gorgeous.
Aww.
What do I look like?
Thanks.
Well, I wouldn't know because you're
This
not
is
done yet.
wait. This is bad lighting from
Am
my
I pretty
angle,
without
but
makeup?
this is the
Lauren, you
final
look so
touch.
good.
Wait, just kidding. We still have to do my eyebrows, so they look really bad right now.
Good.
This is shade Viva
Oh, give this my
Glam
hair.
3, A75.
From MAC. Is that
Yeah.
mine? Did you get that from me?
No, it's mine.
Oh, really?
No.
Guys, we need to hurry.
I think you should go over there and put it up.
Yeah,
No, I
we'll
think-
stay here.
No, I really think that we should get over there.
We're gonna be
together.
late.
Jenna, we don't want to be the first ones there. That's so awkward.
No, but I'm the girlfriend.
Jenna!
Oh my god! That wasn't my fault. I swear.
I'm pissed. So basically, Jenna sabotaged my makeup.
Basically.
And now I have to fix it.
Okay, so we're gonna put on our outfits now. And then we'll show you guys like a 360 view of our whole finalized look. So
Okay, I'm going into this part in the bathroom.
stay tuned for that.